Hi guys, welcome back to Toybox Treasures. Today we're going to be unboxing Poodles. On here it says there are 9 surprises in every cup. A playhouse, 5 poodles, chopsticks, a poodle toy, and a stand. And it says to just add water. Let's get started. There we go. So here are the chopsticks. Oh wait, let's take this off first. Now we have water. Now we just watch it fizz. There's also a rare poodle. Let's see if we can get that one. These are the different poodles that you can collect. And these are some of the accessories and the playhouses. Let's see if it's almost ready. So here's our first one. It's a blue poodle holding a bag. There's a little matching hat. Here's our next one. It's an orange poodle. The blue little ribbon. Here's the next one, the yellow poodle, the little bow. Here's another blue poodle with yellow right here. And here's our last poodle, the white and blue. Here's our poodle toy. Looks like a stroller that you can put the poodle in. So their house is in here too, but we might have to pull this out. Okay. So So here is the Poodle Palace. There's the little door that opens. You can have your poodles play in it. That's all that we got for today, and don't forget to subscribe.